Welcome back to the channel, Coin Lover. The 1995 United States Washington quarter dollar. At first glance, a 1995 quarter in rusty or worn condition may appear to be nothing more than spare change, but collectors know that certain coins from this year can attract serious attention in the numismatic market. Whether discovered in pocket change, an old jar of coins, or a forgotten collection, the 1995 Washington quarter has the potential to become a valuable treasure. In today's video, we will explore the history, unique features, rarity, and potential auction value of this fascinating coin, and why collectors around the world are still searching for it. The Washington quarter is one of the most recognizable coins in United States history. It was first introduced in 1932 to honor the 200th birthday of America's first president, George Washington. The design was created by sculptor John Flanagan, whose portrait of Washington became one of the most enduring images on U.S. currency. By 1995, the Washington quarter had already been in circulation for more than 6 decades and remained a key part of everyday transactions across the country. The 1995 quarter was produced by the United States Mint at several minting facilities, including Philadelphia and Denver. Millions of these coins were released into circulation, making them common in everyday use, yet certain conditions, mint marks, and rare errors have transformed some of them into desirable collector's items. The 1995 Washington quarter carries the classic design that collectors instantly recognize. On the obverse side, the coin features a detailed profile portrait of George Washington facing left, along with the inscriptions, "Liberty, in God We Trust," and the year, 1995. Depending on where the coin was minted, it may also include a small mint mark such as P for Philadelphia or D for Denver. The reverse side displays a majestic eagle with outstretched wings perched on a bundle of arrows, symbolizing strength and readiness, with olive branches beneath representing peace. Surrounding the design are the inscriptions, "United States of America, e pluribus unum," and "quarter dollar." The coin is composed of a copper core with a nickel outer layer, giving it a distinctive silvery appearance when new. However, coins found in rusty or heavily circulated condition often show discoloration, environmental damage, or oxidation, which can create a unique appearance that sometimes sparks additional interest among collectors, especially when unusual toning or patterns appear. The 1995 Washington quarter was minted in large quantities. Rarity in coin collecting often comes from specific varieties, mint errors, or exceptional conditions rather than the general coin itself. Coins that feature off-center strikes, double dies, die cracks, or other minting mistakes can become highly desirable. Additionally, quarters that survived in near-perfect condition or were preserved in original mint sets are particularly valuable. Some collectors also search for unusual pieces that developed rare toning or environmental effects over time. Because of these factors, the 1995 Washington quarter continues to attract attention from both beginner and experienced collectors, who carefully inspect each coin for hidden details that could significantly increase its value. In most cases, a standard 1995 Washington quarter found in circulation is worth its face value of 25 cents. However, coins in excellent uncirculated condition can sell for $38 million to collectors. When graded by professional coin grading services and preserved in high mint state conditions, some examples have reached values of $50 or more. The real excitement begins when rare mint errors or exceptionally well-preserved coins appear at auction. Certain error varieties and top-grade specimens have sold for $38 million, and in rare cases even higher depending on demand and condition. Even coins that appear rusty or damaged might still be valuable if they contain a unique minting error that collectors are actively searching for. For collectors interested in finding a valuable 1995 Washington quarter, careful observation is essential. Examining coins under good lighting or with a magnifying glass can reveal important details such as mint marks, doubling in the lettering, or unusual strike patterns. Storing coins properly is also important, as protective holders and dry environments help preserve their condition. Many collectors also compare their coins with certified examples from professional grading organizations to determine rarity and potential value. Checking auction records and coin price guides can also help collectors understand how the market values specific varieties of the coin. The 1995 Washington quarter may look like a simple everyday coin, but within the world of coin collecting it represents an exciting opportunity to discover hidden value. From its historical connection to George Washington and its classic design by John Flanagan to the possibility of rare mint errors and high-grade specimens, this coin continues to attract collectors and treasure hunters alike. Whether found in loose change or inherited from an old collection, the 1995 quarter is always worth a closer look. You never know when a small coin could turn out to be a valuable piece of American numismatic history worth far more than its original 25 cents. Thanks for watching.